Hi students, good morning to all. I saw your homework. I am very happy to see that some of you have made a few mistakes. That's not a problem, but if you practice well, you can learn it better. Okay, before starting today's topic, let us recollect our previous class. We discussed on definition of matrix, order of matrix and general term of matrix, at last types of matrices. Okay, today let us learn more about matrices. Okay, first equality of matrices. Equality of matrices. Two matrices A and B are said to be equal if first both are having same order. Second one, each element of A is equal to the corresponding element of B. That means A is equal to matrix Aij of order 2 by 3 and B is equal to matrix Bij of order 2 by 3. We can write the general term of matrix A. A11, A12, A13, second row, A21, A22, A23. Order 2 by 3. Same way, we have to write B matrix. B11, B12, B13, B21, B22, B23. So a condition both having same order. First condition is satisfied here. Order 2 by 3. And this is our second condition. That is corresponding elements are equal. That means A11 equal to B11. A12 is equal to B12. A21 equal to B21. Like that A13 equal to B13. Then A22 equal to B22. Then A23 equal to B23. Example, A equal to matrix 2, 3, 0, 1 and B is equal to matrix 2, 3, 0, 1. Okay, both matrices have same order. That is 2 by 2. Here also 2 by 2. Okay, corresponding elements are also equal. 2, 2, here 3, 3, 0, 0, 1, 1. So what we can say? A is equal to B. Okay. Then next, we consider the matrix A is equal to 2, 3, 0, 1 and B is equal to matrix 3, 2, 0, 1. Here, both having same order but corresponding elements are not equal. That means A11 not equal to B11. Okay, then what we can say? A not equal to B. Let's do a problem now. A equal to x plus 1, 5, 2, y minus 4 and B is equal to 2, 3, 5, 6. So A equal to B. A equal to B. Find the value of x and y. Find the value of x and y. Their corresponding elements are equal. That means x plus 1 equal to 2. From this what we can write? X equal to 2 minus 1 which is equal to 1. Same way, their y minus 4 equal to 6. So, y minus 4 equal to 6. From this, y is equal to 6 plus 4 which is equal to 10. Therefore, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 10. Clear? Next topic is operations on matrices. First one, addition of matrices. Sum of two matrices is a matrix obtained by adding the corresponding elements of given matrices. Furthermore, the two matrices have to be of the same order. If A is equal to matrix A11, A12, A21, A22 of order 2 by 2 and B is equal to matrix B11, B12, B21, B22 of order 2 by 2. Okay, then A plus B equal to A plus B is equal to A11 plus B11, A12 plus B12, A21 plus B21, A22 plus B22. Okay, of order 2 by 2. That is A plus B is a matrix of order 2 by 2. For example, A equal to minus 1, 0, x, 2, 3, root 3 and B is equal to matrix 3, 5, 0, 2, minus 1, 6. Okay. Therefore, A plus B equal to minus 1 plus 3. Minus 1 plus 3 equal to 1, 2. 0 plus 5. 0 plus 5, 5. Then x plus 0. X plus 0 is x. 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 3 plus minus 1. 3 plus minus 1 is 2. Root 3 plus 6. That we can write root 3 plus 6. So A plus B is a matrix of order 2 by 3. Clear? Next, difference of matrices. Okay. If A is equal to matrix A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23 of order 2 by 3 and B is equal to matrix B11, B12, B13, second row B21, B22, B23. And that's order 2 by 3. Then A minus B is equal to matrix A11 minus B11. Then A12 minus B12. Then A13 minus B13. Same way. A21 minus B21, A22 minus B22, A23 minus B23 is a matrix of order 2 by 3. For example, A equal to matrix 2, 5, 6, 3x minus 1. B is equal to matrix 3, 0, 4, minus 1, 2, 5. Okay. Then A minus B is equal to matrix 2 minus 3. 2 minus 3 is minus 1. 5 minus 0, that means 5. 6 minus 4 equal to 2. Then 3 minus 1. So 3 minus 1 is equal to 1, 4. X minus 2, that means we can write x minus 2. Minus 1 minus 5, that means minus 6. Okay. Next one is multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. If A is a matrix and K is a scalar, then Ka is another matrix which is obtained by multiplying each element of the matrix A by the scalar K. That means A equal to 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 0, 5. We consider the scalar K is equal to 4. Then K equal to 4 into A. That means 4 into matrix A. A means not 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 0, 5. Which is equal to 4 into 1, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 4 into 3, 12, 4 into minus 1, minus 4, 4 into 0, 0, 4 into 5, 20. Next topic is properties of matrix addition. First one, commutative law. So for any two matrices A and B of same order, then A plus B equal to B plus A. Okay. Second one is associative law. For any three matrices A, B and C are of the same order, then A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. Third one is existence of additive identity. 0 is the additive identity of the matrix addition. That means A plus 0 is equal to 0 plus A is equal to A. Is the existence of additive inverse. Negative A is the inverse of the matrix A. That is A plus negative of A equal to negative of A plus A equal to 0. Next one is properties of scalar multiplication of matrix. If A and B are two matrices, K and L are two scalars, then K into A plus B equal to KA plus KB. And second one is K plus L into A is equal to KA plus LA. Next, let's do a problem. If A is equal to matrix 8, 0, 4, minus 2, 3, 6 and B is equal to 2, minus 2, 4, 2, minus 5, 1. Then find the matrix X such that 2A plus 3X equal to 5B. Okay. Answer is here 2A plus 3X equal to 5B. From this 3X equal to 5B minus 2A. Therefore, X is equal to 1 by 3 of 5B minus 2A. That means 1 by 3 into 5 matrix B. B is equal to matrix 2 minus 2, 4, 2 minus 5, 1. Minus 2 into A. A means what? 8, 0, 4 minus 2 and 3, 6. Okay. 1 by 3 into 5 into 10 matrix 10 minus 10, 5 into 4, 20, 10, 5 into minus 5 minus 25, 5 into 1, 5 minus matrix 2 into 8 is 16, 2 into 0, 0, 2 into 4, 8, 2 into minus 2, minus 4, 2 into 3, 6, 2 into 6, 12. Which is equal to 1 by 3 of 10 minus 16. 10 minus 16 means minus 6. Minus 10 minus 0. That means minus 10. 20 minus 8. 12. Then 10 minus 4. That means 14. Then 25 minus 6. 25 minus 6. What's that? Minus 25 minus 6. That means minus 31. Then 5 minus 12. 5 minus 12 is minus 7. Okay. So which is equal to 1 by 3 of minus 6. That means minus 6 by 3, minus 10 by 3, 12 by 3, 14 by 3, minus 31 by 3 and minus 7 by 3. This is the answer. Find x and y if x plus y is equal to matrix 5, 2, 0, 9 and x minus y is equal to matrix 3, 6, 0, minus 1. We have x plus y plus x minus y, which is equal to matrix 5, 2, 0, 9 plus matrix 3, 6, 0, minus 1. Here x plus x is equal to 2x, y plus minus y is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to matrix 5 plus 3, 8, 2 plus 6, 8. plus minus 1, 8. Okay. Therefore, x is equal to 1 by 2 of matrix 8, 8, 0, 8. Which is equal to 8 by 2. 8 by 2, 4. Here also 8 by 2, 4. 0, 8 by 2, 4. So, x is equal to we get matrix 4, 4 and 0, 4. X plus y minus x minus 1. Okay. So, which is equal to matrix 5, 2, 0, 9 minus matrix 3, 6, 0, minus 1. Okay. Here x plus x minus x equal to 0 x. Y minus minus 1. That means 2y. Okay. So 2y equal to matrix 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 minus 6. That means minus 4. 0 minus 0. That means 0. 9 minus minus 1. That means 10. Okay. Therefore, y is equal to, we get 1 by 2 of 2 minus 4, 0, 10. That is equal to matrix 1 minus 2, 0, 5. So, this is that. This topic is multiplication of matrix. Dear students, multiplication of matrix is a bit difficult to compare addition and difference. Product of two matrices A and B are defined if number of column of A is equal to the number of rows of B. Let A equal to matrix Aij of order m by n and B is equal to matrix Bjk of order n by b. Here, number of column and number of rows are equal, so we can find out the product of A and B. That is, AB is equal to matrix Aij of order m by n into matrix Bjk of order n by b. Okay, let us consider the product of AB as C of order m by b, of order m by b. Next, let's do a problem. If A is equal to 1 minus 2, 3, minus 4, 2, 5 and B is equal to matrix 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 1, then find AB and BA. Show that AB not equal to BA. Okay, so AB is equal to matrix 1 minus 2, 3, minus 4, 2, 5 into B. B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 1. Okay, so which is equal to matrix. For getting elements of the product matrix, we take rows of A and the column of B, multiply them element wise and take the sum. So, first row into first column, that means 1 into 2 plus minus 2 into 4 plus 3 into 2. 3 into 2. This is the first element. Then how will you get second element? That means first row into second column. That means 1 into 3 plus minus 2 into 5 plus 3 into 1. Okay, then how will you get the second row first element? That means we can take the rows of first A and column of B. That means minus 4 into 2 plus 2 into 4 plus 5 into 2 plus 5 into 2. The next second row into second column. That means minus 4 into 3 plus 2 into 5 plus 5 into 1. 5 into 1. Okay, then which is equal to matrix 1 into 2, 2 plus minus 2 into 4, minus 8 plus 3 into 2, 6. Then here 1 into 3, 3 minus 2 plus 5 is 3. So AB matrix is 0 minus 4, 10, 3. What is your order? That is 2 by 2. Next, we have to find out B. So first we have to write B, second A. So B is equal to matrix 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 1. Okay, into A. A is equal to 1 minus 2, 3 minus 4, 2, 5. Okay, then it is equal to first row into first column, first row into second column, first row into third column. Then we will get the elements of the product of matrix. So 2 into 1 plus 3 into minus 4. 3 into minus 4. The next 2 into minus 2. 2 into minus 2 plus 3 into 2. Then third element 2 into 3. 2 into 3 plus 3 into 5. 3 into 5. Okay. Now how will you get the second row? That is 4 into 1. 4 into 1 plus 5 into minus 4. 5 into minus 4. The next one 4 into minus 2. 4 into minus 2 plus 5 into 2. 5 into 2. The next one 4 into 3. 4 into 3 plus 5 into 5. 5 into 5. Clear? Then how will you get the third row? That means you can take 2 into 1 plus 1 into minus 4. 1 into minus 4. The next one 2 into minus 2. 2 into minus 2 plus 1 into 2. 1 into 2. The last 2 into 3. 2 into 3 plus 1 into 5. 1 into 5. Okay, which is equal to matrix 2 into 1, 2 plus 3 into minus 4, minus 12. 2 into minus 2, minus 4 plus 3 into 2, 6. The next one 2 into 3, 6 plus 3 into 5, 15. Okay, like that 4 into 1, 4 plus 5 into minus 4, minus 20. The next element 4 into minus 2, minus 8 plus 5 into 10. The next one 4 into 3, 12 plus 5 into 5, 25. Okay, the next 2 into 1, 2 plus 1 into minus 4, minus 4. 2 into minus 2, minus 4 plus 1 into 2, 2. The next 2 into 3, 6 plus 1 into 5, 5. Okay, which is equal to matrix 2 plus minus 12. That means minus 10. Minus 4 plus 6. That means 2. 6 plus 15. That is 21. Okay. 4 plus minus 20. 4 plus minus 20 is 1. Minus 16. Minus 8 plus 10. That means 2. 12 plus 25. That means how much will come? 37. Okay. Last one. 2 plus minus 4. That is minus 2. Minus 4 plus 2. That is also minus 2. 6 plus 5. That is 11. So here order 3 by 3. Here. Here AB equal to matrix 0 minus 4 10 3 and BA is equal to matrix 10 2 21 minus 16 2 37 minus 2 minus 2 11. AB is of order 2 by 2 and BA is of the order 3 by 3. So AB not equal to BA. Okay, AB not equal to BA. From this we can say matrix multiplication is not commutative. Clear? Okay. Next one is properties of multiplication of matrices. First one, associative law. For any three matrices A, B and C, AB into C is equal to into BC. Second one is distributive law. Here A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC and A plus B into C is equal to AC plus BC. Next one is existence of multiplicative identity. Here A into I is equal to I into A is equal to A, where I is the identity matrix. I is the identity matrix. We denote I is the identity matrix. Then I1 is equal to matrix 1. I2 means matrix 1 0 0 1. And I3 means what? This is the third identity matrix, third order identity matrix. Let's do a problem. Find A square minus 5A plus 6i if A is equal to matrix 2 0 1 2 1 3 1 minus 1 0. So first we have to find out A square. What is A square? A square means A into A. So A is equal to matrix 2 0 1 2 1 3 1 minus 1 0 into A. So again 2 0 1 2 1 3 1 minus 1 0. That is first row into first column. That means 2 into 2 0 into plus 0 into 2 plus 1 into 1. The next element first row into second column. That means 2 into 0 plus 0 into 1 plus 1 into minus 1. 1 into minus 1. The next is first row into third column. That means 2 into 1 plus 0 into 3 plus 1 into 0. Okay. So second row into first column. That means 2 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 3 into 1. Then next second row into second column. That means 2 into 0 plus 1 into 1 plus 3 into minus 1. Then second row into third column. That means 2 into 1 plus 1 into 3 plus 3 into 0. Okay. The next third element. That means third row into first column. 1 into 2 plus minus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 1. Okay. Then third row into second column. That means 1 into 0 plus minus 1 into 1 plus 0 into minus 1. The next third row into third column. That means 1 into 1 plus minus 1 into 3 plus 0 into 0. Okay. Which is equal to matrix 2 into 2, 4. So 4 plus 0 into 2, 0 plus 1 into 1, 1. Here 0 plus 0 plus minus 1. Here 2 plus 0 plus 0. Here 2 into 2, 4 plus 2 plus 3. 0 plus 1 plus minus 3. Here 2 into 1, 2 plus 3 plus 0. Here 2 plus minus 1 into 2 minus 2 plus 0. Here 0 plus minus 1 plus 0. Here 1 plus minus 3 plus 0. Which is equal to 4 plus 1, 5. 0 plus 0 plus minus 1, minus 1. Here 2. Here 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 1 plus minus 3, minus 2. 2 plus 3, 5. Here 2 plus minus 2 plus 0. That means 0. 1. 0 plus minus 1 plus 0. That means minus 1. 1 plus minus 3 plus 0. That is minus 2. Order 3 by 3. A square equal to, we got 5 minus 1, 2, 9 minus 2, 5, 0 minus 1 minus 2. Then next we have to find out 5a. So 5a equal to, so 5 into matrix 2, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1 minus 1, 0. That means matrix 5 into 2, 10, 5 into 0, 0, 5 into 1, 5. 5 into 2, 10, 5 into 1, 5, 5 into 3, 15. 5 into 1, 5, 5 into minus 1, minus 5, 5 into 0, 0. Okay, the next is a square 5a plus 6i. So 6i is equal to 6 into, we consider the identity matrix of order, here 3 by 3 is the order. So we consider the identity matrix of order 3 by 3. That means 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Which is equal to matrix 6, 0, 0, 0, 6, 0, 0, 0, 6. Here a square we got 5a and 6i we got. So these values we have to substitute in the question. That means a square minus 5a plus 6i is equal to matrix a square. A square equal to what? 5 minus 1, 2, 9 minus 2, 5, 0 minus 1 minus 2 minus 5a. 5a equal to what? 10, 0, 5, 10, 5, 3, 5 minus 5, 0 plus 6i. So 6i is equal to 6, 0, 0, 0, 6, 0, 0, 0, 6. Which is equal to matrix 5 minus 10. 5 minus 10 is what? Minus 5. Minus 1 minus 0. That means minus 1. 2 minus 5. That means minus 3. 9 minus 10. Minus 1. Minus 2 minus 5. Minus 9 minus 10 minus 1 minus 2 minus 5, that means minus 7. 5 minus 3, 2. Here 0 minus 5, that means minus 5. Minus 1 minus minus 5, so that means minus 1 plus 5. Minus 1 plus 5 is what? 4. Minus 2 minus 0, that means minus 2. So these two the next one is here 6, 0, 0, 0, 6, 0, 0, 0, 6. So final answer is which will come minus 5 plus 6, 1. Minus 1 plus 0, minus 1. Minus 3 plus 0, minus 3. Minus 1 plus 0, minus 1. Minus 7 plus 6, minus 1. 2 plus 0, 2. The last row minus 5 plus 0, minus 5. 4 plus 0, 4. Then minus 2 plus 6, 4. This is the 3 by 3 matrix. This is the answer. Clear? Let's wind up today's session. Do practice taken question 1. Hope you all are getting on well with the classes and enjoy with your parents. Keep in touch. Bye.